ask, how do you refresh a config file in Kubernetes without restarting your app? The answer is sidecar container. Let me show you. This is part 5 of the Kubernetes series. Your app reads a config file on the startup. That's a very common use case. To handle this case, you have two options. Either restart the app and lose the traffic, or have something quietly update the config in the background. That something is a sidecar container. Think of a sidecar container like a co-pilot. The pilot flies the plane, that's your main app. Co-pilot handles everything in the background: navigation, communication, updates. They sit together in the same cockpit, sharing the same space, but having a different job. That's exactly how sidecar container works. A sidecar container runs alongside your main container in the same pod. They share same network, same volume. The sidecar container does not replace the main app, it supports it. In this case, a sidecar container periodically writing an updated config file to a shared volume, and the main app reads from that shared volume, no restart required. Now look at the container section. We have two containers here. First is the Nginx container. This is our main app. It mounts on a volume called config vol at path etc config. It reads a config file from this path. Now, the second container is a config refresher. This is your sidecar and it runs in loop every 10 seconds. Can you see the sleep, and it's in while true. It's writing a current timestamp on this property file app.properties on the shared volume every 10 seconds. So that means every 10 seconds your config file gets updated. Both the container mount the same volume, which is config vol. That shared volume is the bridge between the two containers, sidecar and the main container. Now let's run everything and check. Created our YML file, let's apply it. Pod got created. So the pod got created from the YML file. Now let's check the pods. Can you see my sidecar 2 by 2 are running? That means both the containers are running. Kube control get inside the pod and specifically Nginx container, which is your main container, and we will read the config file which sidecar container has written. So this is the current timestamp, right? Let's run in 10 seconds and see if the timestamps change. So because the sidecar is refreshing our config file on every 10 seconds. Timestamp has been changed. Config refreshed without any restart. That's the magic of sidecar container. I hope you understand it through the demo well. Code detail link is in YouTube post. Please check it out and practice yourself. Thanks, follow for more.